Hey there, JD and FIA. I'm going to show you how to go modulate up a half step, going from the key of G flat up to G. All right. So the song that I used is "How Great Is Our God" in G flat, coming off the right here. All right, so that progression. All right, that's gonna take us to G major. All right, so what I'm doing, first chord I'm playing is I'm gonna go to the sharp 5 of the key that I'm currently in. So the sharp 5 for G flat, D flat is the 5, D will be the sharp 5. So I'm gonna play a D diminished 7 chord. Left hand I'm playing D and D. Right hand A flat, B, D, F. Alright, then I'm going to go up a half step and play that as a minor 7 chord. So I have an E flat minor 7 chord. E flat minor 7 is the 6th of G flat. Alright, so I'm playing sharp 5 to my 6th. Left hand E flat, right hand B flat, D flat, E flat, G flat. Alright, next chord, I'm going to take my left hand, I'm going to go up a major third to the 1 of the new key. So that's going to be G. So I'm going to go from E flat to G. Right hand, I'm just going to take the top note of that chord that I'm already playing and move it to a G. Alright, so I have, alright, so left hand G, D, and G. You can play the D if you want to, but G and G. Right hand B flat, D flat, E flat, G. So I'm just playing D diminished, E flat minor, all right, and then I'm gonna go up to the new 1, all right, to the G. Both hands, the pinky and the left hand. All right. Now I can look at the G as the 1 of the key of G. So now I'm gonna play a 2, 3, 4, 5 progression. All right. So I have 2, A minor 7, left hand A and E, right hand G and C. All right, next chord, B minor 7, left hand B and F sharp. All right, right hand A and D. All right, next chord, I'm gonna play a C major 7, C and G. Right hand B and E. It's my 4 chord. Then I'm gonna play my 5 chord, D7. Left hand D and A, or I could be playing D and D octave. Right hand C, D, and F sharp. All right, so real slow. You have D diminished, E flat minor. All right, come to the G. All right, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, back to my 1. All right, so very simple. Coming out the 4 F sharp, key change. All right, so yeah, hope that helped. That's a key change going from F sharp up to G. All right, thanks.